And I came here last night to meet Papillon, which just crossed the ocean.
Response time is good, angle limits are good, and we are good to go.
Hello, I'm Alexei and today we're in Cascais Marina in Portugal. It's near Lisbon. And I came here last night to meet Papillon, which just crossed the ocean. And we will go to Alicante from here, Spain. It's 4 days of steaming, and we will be chatting on the way. Hey Firat, good morning. I'm enjoying this morning.
Welcome back.
All right, great.
During charters we do a lot of briefings. One of them is what we call the morning briefing, or aka chart briefing. It looks something like that. So after the breakfast, as our guests are about to finish their food, I come here usually with a chart, a paper chart, or in this case a digital one displayed here, and I tell them how the weather looks like, where we're going that day, what are the attractions, what are the activities that we're gonna do. So I basically inform them of the route and the day and what's about to happen. And that is what I'm doing exactly right now. Yeah. Welcome to the chart briefing. Right? We're now driving to another place called Carcavelos. They have a fishing store there.
I didn't buy anything like this for a long time.
Yeah. Boa tarde. This is Motor Yacht Papillon, the sailing boat, the racer sailing boat on our starboard is severely inclined. It looks like it's taking in water. I've been trying to call the crew, no one is answering, but the gangway is open. Do you mind taking a look into it just to make sure that everything is alright with the boat? Chris, while I have you right there, could you please switch on the main engine charger breaker right in front of you? Perfect. So all systems are now online, engines are running, they are heating up, and we're gonna go down there and do our departure briefing with the crew. And right after that, we're gonna depart. I'm doing two things. In front of me, I'm monitoring the rev change as I put the engines in gear. And you cannot probably hear, but I can hear the prop washing perfectly. So I'm making sure that not only our engines are engaged, but our props are attached too. Okay, throttle checks are fine. Now we're gonna do the thruster checks. Same thing, you can hear the thrusters and you can actually see the boat moving laterally. This is bow thruster port, bow thruster starboard, our stern thruster port, our stern thruster starboard. Lastly, we'll do our steering. Our steering system is data. Very sturdy, very nice. And yeah, perfect. Response time is good. Angle limits are good. And we are good to go.
We just left Cascais Marina, and as always in the evening, it's 7 o'clock in the evening, and we are heading towards Alicante. It will take us about 3.5 days. It's 6 miles journey, and we're going to stop a few times. We don't know yet where, but we will find the best locations. Follow us. One rig is ready.
All right.
We can launch it.
For the trip, actually we did all the provisioning in Miami for a month. Just only the fresh stuff I need to buy again from Bermuda and Azores. Crew loves actually everything, but meat is their favorite. But the last time favorite is, I think, shepherd pie. They love shepherd pie, so they're happy when I serve them shepherd pie.
So we're here in San Jose and I'm about to anchor. My deckhand engineer Chris is resting, so we're gonna do this alone together. Alright, we're good to go. Normally we would have tested it with a touch of reverse just to make sure that our anchor holds and actually let it settle in the sand mud here. But there's no need for that. We'll be here only a couple of hours and I know that our anchor is holding. So you can see now the boat is slowly turning its bow to the wind because we're anchored. Yeah.
After 3 days of steaming, it's our first stop. We anchored just behind this mall, so it's close to the marina, and the place called San Jose. So we will walk around and feel the hard ground after 3 days of journey. We don't know anything about this place. We will learn something. So We are absolutely authentic place. It's a community of hippie. We're in the bar called Route 66, and I'm like in the middle of Jamaica right now, guys. I feel like it's not a Spain. There is no roads here. There's nothing here. About 50 people live in the summertime and 20 people in the wintertime. That's it. So finally we reach our destination. We are in Alicante. The boat travel across the ocean and then another 600 miles from Lisbon to Alicante. And I enjoyed this last 600 miles and the boat went extremely well. Just scheduled maintenance and a few minor issues which are normal for this kind of crossing. It's over 4,000 miles of distance completed successfully and joyfully. Thank you.
But I'll tell you what I tell myself all the time. Not necessarily regarding ocean crossing, but regarding being a captain. Pretty much anything else in life for that matter, but let's, keep it narrow, keep the context narrow. And that is never, ever stop doubting. Never ever think that whatever you do, whatever you know, whatever you're prepared for is complete. It never is. So always ask questions, always read, always think critically. Very important, very tough, by the way. And always, always, always create and improve. This applies to the crossing itself too, I suppose, and the preparation.